More than 20 years experience in the electromechanical engineering sector make Fortius a truly energetic firm. Specializing in electromechanics, the branch of science whose advances have brought unparalleled progress to humankind, Fortius is naturally geared to innovation. The company has grown by developing high-quality projects in addition to venturing in alternate energy sources. Fortius was founded in 1991 in Guadalajara as a small firm with only 4 employees, being awarded the Huites hydroelectrical project in Sinaloa and becoming the main electrical contractor for the IBM plant in Guadalajara signaled the start of our sustained growth, for which everyone at Fortius must take credit. Continuous development and innovation, and a real concern about improving ourselves each and every day. That is what moves Fortius. Today, with 550 employees, the company has international reach capability and has earned the ISO 9001 certification for the quality of our services, the OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety certification for our commitment to the well-being of our employees and their families, and is in the process of being recognized as a socially responsible company. We expect to obtain as well the ISO 14001 certification for our operations as safe environmental management. For Fortius, there is nothing less than excellence, and our projects are proof of it. Electromechanics is now an essential factor in humankind's progress, having provided man with comfort, innovation, and visible improvement in all walks of life. It is now part of human history and of the daily workings of the global society. It was in classical Greece that the foundations for this branch of science were laid. These would result in the invention of the electroscope, the lightning rod, the first telegraphs, and the Bell computers, bringing to completion those projects which benefit society at large, and particularly our company's customers, is our daily job at Fortius. An innovative engineering technique is horizontal perforation. The use of underground power lines is made possible by this technique, eliminating the need for aerial cables. This makes it affordable and reliable, improving urban scenery and providing added safety. Having provided this service for 20 years, Fortius is a true pioneer in the introduction of power transmission lines to any geographical location. Outstanding examples of the use of this technology are the historical downtowns of Mexico City, Guadalajara, León, and Guanajuato, among others. Mini hydraulics, wind, geothermal, and solar energy are today's alternatives for energy conservation. As pioneers in this field, the group founded Fortius Solar, a new business division that is devoted to renewable energies and which today has become a source of pride for the whole company due to its sustained growth and the quality of its work. A relatively new concept is that of sustainable development, which aims to ensure the meeting of present needs without compromising the coming generations' ability to meet their own needs. In order for sustainable development to be possible, man's activities must fully respect our environment. This is a topic of the utmost priority for Fortius. In order to grow, we have to choose the right way, and Fortius has taken it in choosing the location of our new headquarters, which reflects what the company is. Fortius' new main office is part of the history of Guadalajara and of the American district, which at the beginning of the 20th century was the French district, which later would be merged with the Reforma neighborhood. On the corner of Hidalgo and General Coronado streets, where in 1888 there had been an arch commemorating the arrival of the railroad to Guadalajara, Don Luis de la Mora built a mansion, which Fortius has now chosen as our new seat, and where we will continue to make history. Reverting the ravages of time in this mansion was a labor of love, dedication, and tenacity. We put a lot of work in the restoration of the property, aiming to preserve both its original architectural style and the materials and building procedures of the time, while at the same time we enriched it with thoroughly contemporary details. Its halls and corridors were filled with the works of regional contemporary artists, which now pay their respects to the mansion's history. It is a space that blends art and functionality, the perfect setting for the kind of work that is carried out there every day. This effort was rewarded when Fortius won the 2013 first prize in the annual prize to the recovery and conservation of sites of historical value awarded by the Guadalajara City Council. In addition to being a historical building, our headquarters is 100% sustainable. It uses alternate energy sources and has been presented by the U.S. Green Building Council with the LEED Platinum Award, which defines its design, construction, operation, and high-performance standards as those of a sustainable office building. This is Fortius, a company that respects society and the environment and strives to attain the highest quality as well as recognition for its human resources. Thriving and innovative, Fortius, the energetic company.